All right, well, we now have with us Shripaka Jaiswal, Union Coal Minister. We also have Mamta Sharma, the chairperson of the National Commission for Women, and Dr. Sambit Patra, spokesperson of the Delhi BJP. Dr. Patra, do you accept what he's saying? He said it because India won and all of that, so he gave this nice muhavra over here.
It's ridiculous. In fact, Jujhar, I would say, as if coal was not enough to blacken his face, he had to use the shameless, deplorable, and such kind of remark which has denigrated two institutions, the Institute of Marriage and the Institute of Womanhood. I'm really sorry that such kind of remark had to be used by a responsible person in India's cabinet.
Dr. Sambit Patra, you wanted to say something to Shripaka Jaiswal's apology over there.
Yes, he was saying that किसी भी कारण से यदि किसी को बुरा लगा हो, the cause is very evident, and it is
it's
so
like a
horrible.
Qualified apology.
Yes, it qualifies, and I mean, it has to be apologized for, and in fact, he should vacate his seat for it. Let me add one more thing to this. In fact, probably this is the relation of Congress with marriage, is the reason as to why they are facing a divorce from most of their allies and their coalition partners now.
But you also seem to be your marriage with the Janata Dal United in Bihar is also in trouble.
No, it's not broken at all.
Yeah?
This is a wrong statement.
CP Thakur is saying we'll contest all the seats.
No. See, this is not a debate on what CP Thakur ji is saying and what is our relation with the ally partners of BJP. But we are discussing right now the denigrity that has been caused by Sri Prakash Jaiswal ji's statement to womanhood.
Okay, Dr. Patra, are you just sort of putting more salt over there on Jaiswal and the Congress?
No, not at all. It might have been taken as a very ordinary statement by an ordinary Indian, as Pooja said. But Jaiswal ji is not an ordinary Indian. He's a cabinet member. He's heading a very important portfolio. And as he behaves, he will be followed by 1,000 other people in the country. And it shows the feudal mindset of the cabinet minister of a country, and it is deplorable.
But you have a woman over here, a woman caller saying she's a woman and she doesn't mind.
Let me remind that even Mamta Sharma ji in the yesterdays had not spoken very high of the woman. In fact, she herself had called upon a number of differences as far as the woman is concerned. So it does not mean that if a woman justifies injustices against women, we are to take it lying down.
Okay, now you made a bob at Mamta Sharma. I'm going to go to her with that. You know, Dr. Sambit Patra, the problem is that, as we were saying earlier also in our story, Shripaka Jaiswal is not the only public figure politician who suffered from foot and mouth disease in terms of making sexist comments. I've got a whole list over here. The West Bengal Transport Minister, we talked about that. The Andhra Pradesh DGP, we talked about that. Your own parties, the Karnataka Women and Child Welfare Minister, C.C. Patil, said, I personally, and this is in the 1st of January this year, I personally don't favor women wearing provocative clothes and always feeling they need to be dignified in whatever they wear. What is this? What's the need for making statements like this?
See,
when have politicians become, the moral guardians of this country?
Very true. In fact, as most of the viewers have been saying, that in fact politicians need to be the role model for the country. But this is not happening presently. And as far as our party is concerned, our party has never come out in favor of this kind of comments. Now, without being a politician,
10 seconds left,
without being a politician, let me comment something about this. I feel really sad, with all due respect I say, I feel really sad about the wife of respected Sri Jaiswal ji and the mother of respected Jaiswal ji. How bad they would be feeling. And let me remind the nation that Jaiswal ji is Jaiswal ji because of the mother and because of his wife.
Right, okay, running out of time, but a final question to Mamta Sharma, or Chairperson, National Commission for Women. Mr. Sharma, you've in fact been railing against the coal minister. You said the High Command is take action, remove him even perhaps. But let me ask you something. In February this year, you had also said that boys calling girls sexy should not be seen in a negative sense, that sexy means beautiful and charming. Do you understand why people can sometimes have a slip of the tongue? Do you regret your own comment?
मैंने जो बात कही थी वो कॉलेज गर्ल्स के बीच में कही थी और मेरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट डिफरेंट था, मेरा ये नहीं था। और आज हम जिस तरह से पहले किसी जमाने में आपको भी पता है कि बॉस के लिए बोल देते थे, जो गैंगस्टर्स के बॉस होते थे उनको बॉस कहा जाता था। लेकिन मैंने देखा है कि वक्त के हिसाब से शब्दों के अर्थ बदल रहे हैं, वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स बदल रहे हैं। उस तरह से ये भी था। आज हम कार को भी बोल देते हैं, हम टेलीफोन को भी बोल देते हैं, हम किसी भी चीज के लिए बोल देते
Right,
हैं.
okay.
तो
Mr.
मैं
Sharma, I'm
कुछ
so sorry
और
to interrupt
समझाने
you.
की
So
कोशिश
sorry to interrupt you. Completely run out of time. I've got to close the show over here. But, you know, I think the moral of the story seems to be, you may crack jokes in private, but if you're a cabinet minister of the center and you're on a public platform, you've got to be careful with what you say because there are thousands of people listening to you and you're supposed to, and I underline the word, supposed to be some sort of a role model. Thank you very much to all our guests for joining us. Thank you for watching.